This means that you can finally see which jobs are making you money and which jobs are losing you money. So first up is Employee Hub. This is QuoteIQ's full employee management system. If you have a team, this is going to be one of the most valuable features inside of QuoteIQ. First, it gives you GPS live tracking. You can see exactly where every single team member is in real time on a map. When they clock in, their location is verified and you can watch their movement throughout the day. This isn't just about knowing where people are either. It's about accountability and being able to give your customers accurate ETAs. The second feature of Employee Hub is its time tracking. Your employees clock in from their phone, they can go on breaks, and they can clock out. So no more inflated hours, no more guessing, and when they clock out, that time is automatically logged and ready for payroll. QuoteIQ's Employee Hub also calculates your labor cost automatically. You set each employee hourly rate in their profile, and as long as they log their time throughout the day, QuoteIQ calculates exactly what you're going to be paying in labor. So you can see labor cost per job, per employee, per day, however you want to slice it up. You can also create crews. So instead of assigning 5 individual employees to a job, you can create a crew inside of QuoteIQ, and then you can just assign that crew to a job. It saves time and it keeps your schedule clean. You also get role-based permissions, and this is perfect for teams that might have different employees using different functionalities of QuoteIQ. You have field techs that can see their schedule and clock in, but they can't see financials or what the customer is paying for the job. You have office managers that can handle scheduling and invoicing, but might have limited access to reporting. You control exactly who sees what. Employee Hub also includes team messaging, so you can have one-on-one messaging with employees, entire crew group chats, or company-wide announcements. It's all built right into QuoteIQ, so there's no more need for WhatsApp or Slack or using a personal phone number. Your team communication lives inside of the app that everything else does. So let's talk about another feature, and that's going to be job costing. When you open a job inside of QuoteIQ, you see a profit margin bar that shows you exactly where you stand. It breaks down the total price the customer paid, it subtracts their labor costs, which are calculated automatically from the time tracking, it subtracts any expenses you logged for that job, and it shows your actual profit and your profit margin as a percentage. This means that you can finally see which jobs are making you money and which jobs are losing you money. Maybe your smaller jobs are running at 70% margins, while your bigger projects are barely breaking even. Without job costing, you would never know this, but with it, you can adjust your pricing, you can improve your efficiency, or stop offering services that aren't profitable for your business. And because it's tied into QuoteIQ's time tracking, you don't have to manually enter anything. Your employees clock in, they work the jobs, they clock out, and the labor costs flow right into the job costing report automatically.